Okay, so this is a model of how to do the math we were looking at yesterday. So the first thing you want to do is adjust the window for the graphing calculator, and it needs to match the problem. I'm looking at problem number 8. And so remember, you need to look at the far left value, that's the x min, and then the far right value, which will be the x max. And then the y min will be down here, the bottom, and the y max will be up here. So we go to our window and we find that the x min is -7, just plug that in. The x max is 5. We enter down to the y min is right here on the axis, so that's 0. And the y max is 13. Okay, so that's step 1. Step 2, we go to the y equals. And we go to the y equals on the graphing calculator, y equals. You can clear what's there. And we enter what we have. I see 2x squared. That's 3 buttons, the 2, the x, and the squared, which is down here, plus 12x plus 22. And then you can just go ahead and click trace. Okay, and this will show us on the graphing calculator. So I'm having you do this sort of the easier way than the harder way. So if we scroll to the left, we can see that that is going to be around -3, 4. So again, if you hit trace, and then you can arrow to the right or the left until you get to the bottom. If you remember yesterday's technique of finding the minimum or maximum, you can do that. Trace is a little bit easier. And then we're going to go to the table. Second table. And again, we're looking for where it was -3, 4. So we'll find -3. There it is. -3, 4. And we need to write the 3 points. The one above it, the actual vertex, -3, 4, and -2, 6. So that's what we need to write for number 8 is -4, 6, -3, 4, and -2, 6. You put those all in parentheses. Okay, the last thing I'm going to say is there's a big difference between the negative and the minus. The negative goes at the beginning of equations. The minus is anywhere in the middle. Negative is only the very first thing. The minus is in the middle. All right, good luck, kids.